Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So today's video is going to be a Sunday reset video. Very excited. My fiance and I are trying to have more of a set schedule throughout the week, try to be more productive, try to have more time together, and try to just do better, do tons of things that I will talk about in an upcoming video, but Sundays are going to be reset videos. Reset days, but I will film every once in a while like a Sunday reset. And I love watching these videos. And a reset is definitely needed before the beginning of the week. So I do childcare in home. If you did not know that, I know I mention that kind of like all the time, but the house needs to be tidy up and stuff. I try to do that on Fridays, but sometimes I am like, okay, I just want to have some time to chill. Matt got me a boba tea, which is so freaking good. The lighting was better in the bathroom. Let's go back over there. Or I'll sit on my bed and chat with y'all for a second. So I need to take the sheets off this bed because my son Hunter has been sick the last few days. We just dropped him off at his dad's house. So every other week we get him for a week straight, and then the next week his dad gets him for a week. So this coming week we won't have him, but I want to get these blankets off. My kitty says hi. Get these blankets off, clean them. Like I said, get everything all organized and set for next week. I need to do some meal prepping. If I don't get to the meal prepping today, then I'll definitely get to it tomorrow. I'm going to get to it today because we need to get some meal prepping done. So I am set for the week and I'm not tempted to eat out because that's like so easy to do when I don't have stuff meal prepped. So, yeah, tons of things I want to do. I need to clean the kitchen. I need to vacuum the kids area, sanitize the kids area, clean the bathroom, do the sheets, meal prep. So I'm going to take y'all along with me. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, let's get this house clean and let's get reset for this upcoming week. Definitely gotta wipe this mirror down because Hunter somehow gets stuff splattered everywhere. And I am wearing mismatched fuzzy socks, but if you see in the video, this bloated tummy, I'm not pregnant. Representing the Indo belly. If I say Indo belly, it's, if you did not know, I have endometriosis. And your girl has been having a flare up and stuff lately. So the bloated belly is out today, and we are just representing it, and I don't care. If you don't like it, you don't gotta watch the video, but it's probably gonna be out a lot of the time. I'm not, you can kind of sort of, well, you can see it, but I'm wearing comfy clothes, and yeah, I don't know why I felt the need to say that, but just in case someone was wondering, I'm not pregnant. Alexa, play the new episode of Baby Mama No Drama podcast.
Getting Baby Mama's No Drama with Kale Lowry and V. Rivera from Amazon Music.
All right, as you heard, I absolutely love the Baby Mama's No Drama podcast and Vibin' and Kinda Thrivin'. If you guys have any podcasts you love listening to, leave your recommendations down below. I would love to try some new ones out. So the first thing I'm going to do in the kitchen is do dishes because I feel like I can't get anything else done in the kitchen till dishes are put away and I load them back up. We have so many dishes in our sink because, like I mentioned, the last few days our son was sick and we just didn't care about anything else besides just having, trying to make him feel comfortable and feel better. So we kind of slacked on chores a bit. So like I mentioned, he's at his other dad's house, and I am. I'm letting Matt rest a bit because he's tired, and I am taking care of doing a handful of the chores. And I'm starting off obviously with the kitchen. I think I already mentioned that, but you're going to see a little bit later the living room is a disaster, but we just wanted him to relax but have fun at the same time. So we had a lot of fun things out, like board games and all that. And we also had, I got a science experiment kit for him to use and make a volcano out of. So he had a lot of fun with that. So I have a lot of cleanup to do in the living room as well as these counters. So I really hope y'all enjoy this video, and I'm going to start talking.
better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous. You don't deserve it all. asked for. She asked for something more. She asked for. Yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She asked for. Yeah, she asked for. She asked for something beautiful. She mystifies me. Tell me what I did wrong, I plead. Never did I think we would be loving for another day. But she asked for. She asked for something more. She asked for. Yeah, she asked for something beautiful. Something beautiful. Yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She asked for. Yeah, she asked for. She asked for something beautiful.
I love it when the floors are all nice and shiny. I know this looks so tacky, but I just found these magnets and I just know my daycare kiddos are going to love them. But yeah, all of the toy area where the daycare kiddos play is all clean and sanitized. I didn't show me sanitizing the stuff because I actually already did that before this video. Over here is a lot more tidy. This is my little spot I sit, and then I look over, and that's where all the kiddos play. And then they have their own little spot over here to play with. And then I have my plants and all that. Y'all see that in another video coming up. Still have to organize a few things on my desk. I got a desk that has some wheels because it's very convenient if I need to like push it out of the way or whatnot. But yeah, there's that. And then another little chair because I do daycare with my mother-in-law, so she has a little place to sit. And that is all clean. All right, kitchen is really clean, very freaking happy about it. I love when my countertops hardly have anything on it. Just fed the cats, so still have a little bit more dishes to do. Some dishes drying. But yeah, it's looking a heck of a lot better than before. And so is the refrigerator. And then obviously the living room is all tidied up. And my kitty says hi. You say hi, Smokey girl? Hi, pretty girl. And my bedroom. is all tidied up. Besides this area, that area over there, I'm not even showing you right now. But yeah, I got the bed all made, fresh sheets, going to dust my little nightstand area, clean the bathroom, which I'm not going to show y'all because it is already a little past 7 p.m. and I've been at this since 1:30, I think. So I am wiped out. I am going to hop off here and go do some. This is a whole other story of me having to organize. I organized it not too long ago, and now it's super unorganized again. I'm working on it. But I'm gonna go do some self-care, take off this makeup, clean my bathroom a little bit, and get ready for the night, for a good night's sleep, and then a long week ahead because, like I said, I do childcare with my mother-in-law, but she is out of town this whole week, so I have all the kiddos to myself. So it's going to be a very busy week, but I do plan on filming a lot of content as well, so I'm very, very, very excited about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this Sunday reset video. I'll see y'all in the next one.